Okay, here we go. Did you know that the decline in queen conch population impacts the Caribbean economy, diet, and the seagrass ecosystems that depend on the queen conch to stay clean and healthy? Hi, I'm Megan Davis, a researcher at Florida Atlantic University, dedicated to the conservation of queen conch, a large edible sea snail with a glossy pink shell that lives in the Bahamas, throughout the Caribbean Sea, Central America, Florida, and Bermuda. Follow me as I show you how our partnership research is helping build community-operated hatcheries in the Caribbean for education, research, restoration, and sustainable seafood. This also includes developing programs that repopulate conch populations in marine protected areas. Saving the queen conch is not only necessary to save hundreds of marine animals that rely on seagrass ecosystem for survival, but restoration of wild populations is vital to the communities who depend on it for their livelihood. With FAU, now you know.